Wish you all a very good day. My name is Gurjot and I'm handling the rural coastal area of Uttar Kannada. I will be talking about our rewards and recognition program for our RDs, that is the rural distributors. An RD is a very important person for our company. He is the link between the retailer and our stockist and the company basically. So he is also he's the first face of the company to the retailer. He's the one who will ensure a smooth transaction from both sides. So he's very important. Now, if he's very important, then it has to be ensured that he performs at all times at his full capacity. To do that, we have to often take help of rewards and recognition programs. It is not just to boost his performance, but to maintain a balance in his performance. As in, it should not happen that it is too biased towards only activations or only towards MNP. So there has to be a balance. However, rewards and recognition is not just it's not all good. It is a double-edged sword. You use it too much, it pays negatively. It has negative results. Now, in our case, there was a situation that we were getting very low performance from some of our RDs. So what we decided was we designed an incentive program for them, keeping three of our KPIs as an important and integral part, which were the activations, high value activations, and our final monthly target. So the basic idea was that it was a step-up process. If we did any one of these, you would get a certain amount. If we did two of these, you would get an extra amount. As in, if it was an activation that was high value, you would get an extra amount. And if he was doing all high value activations and he also achieved his monthly target, he would get an even greater bonus. So that is helping us get more out of our RDs on at least the short-term process. Because rewards will never last long. You have to keep, you always get used to the rewards that you have been getting earlier. Thank you.